Good day, my people. Today I'm going to introduce you to one of the finest and one of the wonderful discovery in this digital life. What I'm going to introduce you to is what we call the 3D printer. Some people knows what we mean by printer. Printer in the digital life is only something that you can able to type in your computer and you can able to print it. Maybe you type your letter, you type an invitation, you type anything. But now in this digital life, there's something what we call a 3D printer. What is the 3D printer? This is the newest technology in the world. The 3D printer is a kind of printer whereby whatever you design in this world, you can able to print it out physically. It will look like. Let me give you an example. Like your car spoil and one of the spare part of the car cannot be found. It cannot be get. Maybe let's say a gearbox or a screw among your car. So this 3D printer, you're going to go into your system. You can able to design that particular spare part. If you design that particular spare part, you can able to use a 3D printer and you can able to print it exactly. This is what we call a 3D printer. Wow, this is a newest technology that happening in this. Let me give you another example. For instance, now you want to design a bicycle. You want to design a spare part of a bicycle, or you want to design a teddy bear for the children. For instance, what do you need to do? You go to your system, you design this teddy bear. As soon as you design this teddy bear, you use a 3D printer. You're going to print it the way we are printing paper and the rest. In this 3D printer, you're going to print that particular item you design, that teddy bear you design for the children, and you're going to come out exactly the way you design it. So it's a technology life. So this is what we are saying. People should take advantage of the technology life that's happening in this world. Then 3D printer is in many types. It depends on what you're going to design. Then you can able to use it and design. I can remember the last time there was discussion with one of the richest man in Africa, and Aliko Dangote. They was asking him that, what do you think now people can invest on? What he told them is that they should invest in the digital life, that is the computer of this world. So you see how richness is the digital life is. That is why we always say that people should take advantage and become a digital expert. So this is what I'm going to share with you today. I hope you're going to be part of it. You're going to be among those ones that will benefit from the digital life that is happening now. Thank you very much. My name is Aminu Jubo from AGI Academy. Thank you.